Hey, what's up? Back again.
That first bass note hit me in the chest, and I was just like, there's no way that's 2/8.
MB Enclosures has his own YouTube channel, and this guy is an animal when it comes to designing boxes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is here, baby. It is the Hutchinson Audio. Nick, what's up, baby? That's something about this thing, man. You know what time it is. We ain't gonna wait for all the rest of the stuff. We ain't doing all that. We gonna see what this thing really do. What's the hype? This is the new Hutchinson LA. He changed the game up when he came out the ETA. Now he has the Origin. This is going to be the bar that all his subwoofers in the Origin series go up from as far as performance. So, unboxing, you get your sticker, Hutchinson Audio sticker. Now, y'all know how I feel about those stickers. You put that on your car, you're not competing, then somebody's going to break into your system and probably take your stuff. You know what you got. Now, you got your Hutchinson Cardio manual. Owner's manual and warranty information. That's great. Thanks for the purpose. Please support him on Facebook, Instagram, and you can contact him at Gmail. Okay, we got the TS parameters, which we know from online. The nice is the, let's look at this, FS with the D2, which is what this is 61. That's relatively high. VAS is low. The QMS is 8. Ooh, got a very strong mechanical. The QES is 0.4. QTS overall says roughly made for a sealed box. Mass is 150. It's a little average, not too light, not too heavy. SD, it has listed here in square meters, and it tops out, baby. What is the square? Convert square meter to square inches. You got that? I got it right here. Let's see right here. Let's convert square meters to square inches, and then we're gonna break this boy down. Square meters to square inches, and we at what? 0.02 square meters. 0.02 square meters is 31 square inches. That's the SD, 31 square inches. Less than the sundown. We have an SPL of 83. I like that. Now, even though the FS is high, does that not mean it's not gonna play low? Okay, that's just the resonant frequency in the open air environment. Do not let nobody tell you wherever the FS is, that's what you're supposed to tune the subwoofer to. If they tell you something like that, then they're idiots. Okay, they're straight up idiot. The subwoofer will play whatever frequency the box is in. Okay, that's why it's gonna drop down to, and some below the tuning. Okay, the BL on this joker is 24. Oh, that's strong. Baby, that's a real strong BL. On a D4 is 30. Let me tell you something, baby. 30 and above is considered a very high BL. 20 and under is considered a low BL. This is 24. This is a very strong motor on this subwoofer. With an X-max of 24 meters. He ain't even playing. He ain't say 23.5 or 22.5. He said, I got 24. Well, if you got 24, you gotta know one thing for sure. You ain't got that same size basket. Let me see what size the basket. Baby, can you even read this from? On the 8-inch Origin, what does it say right here? What's this? Because I got the contents in. What does it say right here? Y'all finna see value, you little. What does it say right there? 7 point what?
4.
What?
7.4.
Almost the same cutout on like a Toro. No, that ain't tiny, baby. This is a 7/3/8 cutout. Yeah. Well, of course, I know you a DD girl, so you know. We talking about Hutchinson Audio right here, baby. Okay? We talking about Hutchinson Audio. Let's unbox this boy and get this boy out of here. Let me see. I like Oh man. What we got here? Don't need that no more. Plastic protects everything. You don't need the play. Ooh, man. What is going on here? Oh, whoa. Oh, let's lay you on your side, baby boy, so they can get a good look at it with a 7.4 inch basket. That's nice. So up top we have we got a fat roll surround. Now it's mountain gasket. We have a non-press pup cone, plastic dip cap with the Hutchin Audio logo on it. Make sure they can see what I'm showing them, baby. I do like the basket, 7.4 basket. So he had this custom tool for him because normally this basket comes 7.3/8. 7.4, that's probably 7.45 or something like 7.5 inches. He had this basket it's custom tool for him. Okay, for that bigger cutout. So it would not fit in the sundown cutout. Just let you know that this would not fit in the sundown cutout. Sundown cutout is smaller. Oh, I like all of the glue that he put around the triple joint. I mean, goodness God, man, like he went to town, but it's clean. It's clean. He got a lot of glue around the triple joint. Nice, big, thick tinsel leads, oversized. Look at the terminals on this thing, babe. Now, this thing is rated 750 watts with a motor force of 24 BL. By increasing that basket size, cutout, and the landing height from the spider to the top, I'm going to believe it's going to do 24 millimeters linear. That's a very strong motor. I like the venting around the pole. What I really like, I want to see y'all, show y'all something. All this right here, this right here, I'm taking about a 10-minute unboxing video, baby. There's a lot of features on this. This joke is different. This joker here is different. He's told me he has the winding height on the former is 2.75 millimeters. Yeah, I believe that's what it is, 2.75 millimeters of winding height. That's high. That's the industry standard. Nobody has a higher winding height than that. And that's going to be able to keep a lot. That quantifies, yeah, this thing got 24 millimeters of excursion. Now you can see that. That winding is going from the gap all the way up here on the basket, the winding height. Yeah, he's not playing it. He's not playing there at all. Spacers to keep the basket off the top plate. Now this was interesting, baby. Most woofers have, this is a magnet. This is not a magnet. This is, I think it's aluminum to keep it cool. High velocity cooling vents and black air. This is a heat sink. This entire thing here is to get heat away from this being generated in the magnetic gap. The motor, the actual motor to this subwoofer, baby, is basically right here. The near the magnets they use, I can see them. And I think you need to cut out on, I can actually see them, the pieces of near them he have around the gap. But none of this is aluminum. All this is aluminum. So what does that mean? I'm gonna tell you what justifies the $400 price tag on the subwoofer, baby. And soon to be about $699. The cooler you can play, the cooler you can keep your subwoofer, the louder it can play. Longer. See, heat's the enemy. This boy right here might make some other companies, and y'all know the company I'm talking about, bring their particular 8-inch back out. Because the performance is going to be there. Super strong motor, 24. The ability to cool itself. This whole thing would normally be a magnet for most everybody else subwoofer. Okay, 8-inch subwoofer. This whole, even my beloved DD2508, this whole thing is a heat dispersing unit. It's going to play louder longer. Now, how much loudness we're going to find out? How much accuracy we're going to find out? Because on my DDs, it's supercharged. I have a near the ring up top to recycle the motor force. This is a lot of motor force, baby, for an 8-inch subwoofer. Nick, I think the only thing you should have done just went on and made your 8-inch cutout. If you made your 8-inch cutout, it's some boys that want to come holler at you, boy. I might want to come holler at you too. You done made this 80s cutout. But we gonna see what you do, baby. We gonna see what you do. But other than that, man, it's beautifully executed. Not he had to make this by hand. Even though you say you made this in China. This is it's nice. It's nice. I like the fact this cooling. This is just used because that what's actual motor strength is right there at the gap, right where it's needed. There's no wasted magnet. Now you have to pay a little bit more for this. But we're gonna check this performance, man. We're gonna see what you do. Ain't it beautiful? Ain't it beautiful, baby? It looks different. Huh? And it has the efficiency of 83. That's a 1 point something. The 25.8 of the efficiency is 85. This is 83.6. So for how small Nick Hutchinson pockets is right now, this is different. This is a justification in everything. Then he used a polyamide former, which keeps the mass down, so the motor force is gonna be high. This thing is gonna be accurate to the fault. And then when I put this on the amps I'm gonna run now, I don't even know if I'm gonna release this video tomorrow. So if I put this baby on the amps I'm gonna run now, the dampening factor plus this great QMS with this QES being no electrical losses, accuracy should be phenomenal. So I got a signature box made for it. So stand by. But next we're gonna do some frequency sweeps. How many minutes is it? Okay, next we're gonna do some frequency sweeps. Then we're gonna let it play that song. Then we're gonna put in the box, see what this boy do. Peace, get at me if you need a box. 446944818, baby. This is what I do. Hutchinson Audio, boy. Brought to you first by MBE.